try it like this. The Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited. We got this puppy so we can have more track. How much track is this supposed to be?
I think I remember you guys talking about being 40 feet. Don't forget the
Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17 of these, which is, that's probably about 15 feet of track. We're gonna start up here, launch the car. Oh, we need more. We definitely need more. Right, little dude?
I think that's correct, but I don't know for certain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's build some more.
Okay. So I bought a new sweater in Walmart and something happened. I still have my tag on the coat. That's just the funny part. It's not supposed to be part of the video, but it's part of the video now, okay? Back to building.
We got, oh, good job. Oh, she's got more track over there. She's hiding from us. 20, 21, 22. Let's go hook it together and see how much track we got now.
Okay. Freeway.
Ow, I pinched myself.
Oh my gosh. We definitely have enough because look how long that is.
Now we might have too much.
Yeah.
Watch out, move your foot.
Yep, we definitely have too much.
How are we gonna keep this from flopping up?
I could probably just hold it like this.
How about this?
Okie dokie. Put it like right on the blue piece. Yeah.
Okay, then you'll
Piece
launch
of
them
resistance.
Here, push him down, see what happens.
Let's see if we can make it all the way
You
over.
can go all the way?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
What the? How did it do that?
It went. Boom! What is that? Is that dog poop? Did he eat like something weird?
No, that's Play-Doh. No,
Nope, it's Play-Doh.
that's poop.
Oh, that's real poop! Okay, I'm grabbing the poopers.
Okay, we're getting out of here. We're
Another one.
being the poop patrol right now.
Poop patrol.
Poop patrol. Poop patrol. On a roll. Poop patrol. Poop.
The dog's been dropping little bombs on my driveway. On my lawn. Okay, we have 40 feet of track here. But we're gonna add something to make it go a little faster. What are we gonna add?
The booster.
Look at that tag off your shirt.
So we're having a Mario Kart jump. Now let's launch some cars. Let's do this. Let's ride some cars.
Little dude is gonna send these down the track. I'll be down there with the other camera, seeing where they land, and we'll see which one goes the farthest. And you've got a special treat halfway down the track, right, little dude?
Yep. Booster.
I'm gonna go turn on the booster right now.
We got a little technical difficulty down here. Let's see what's happening. Okay, we got Luigi in the one-up car landed right at 1. So let's send another one down. Mario in the, what car? Which Mario car was that?
The Mach 8 or the standard one, I don't know.
Okay, Mario and the Mach 8 crashed right at 1, so they both got the same distance. Let's send another one down. Yoshi kind of went off the side, but he also made it to number 1. Crazy.
He crashed off the track, but made it over the jump.
Hey, you did. Okay, send out another one.
Make sure to tell me how Side Guy does.
Okay, side guy. Side guy has got the distance right now, almost to 2. He went a little bit past 1, so side guy is in the lead.
Ooh, that's good.
Ooh, I think Red Yoshi just took the cake going past the number 2 marker. I say again, past the number 2 marker.
Past the number 2 marker? Okay. New car. Where's the speed's coming up right up.
And 4 over. Princess Peach with a broken steering wheel didn't even make it past number 1.
Okay, we got Waluigi next.
Waluigi, I'm excited about this. He always does pretty good. Oh, what a shame. Waluigi hit number 2 and bounced back to number 1.
Maybe we should just let that count as number 2, okay?
So number 2, then Waluigi is in second place.
Got it. Peach with a not broken steering wheel coming up next.
And that was, Peach didn't even make it to the other Peach. The broken steering wheel Peach went farther than regular Peach.
That's strange. I thought the broken Peach would make it less farther than the regular Peach would.
Nope, not in this case. What's next?
Toad in the sneaker.
All right, send him down. And the big head pays off. Toad is now in second place.
So Waluigi and Toad are technically tied.
Yes, they are.
Okay.
Mario is now in the lead.
Woo-hoo! Go Mario!
And Luigi didn't even make it to the jump.
I saw it. He acted like he was going to do it, but then... Okay, let's send down the mystery one and the one you could ride. So this was the mystery one all along. Luigi in the P-Wing. Okay, let's send him down. See if he can even make it past the jump.
Mystery one made it all the way to either second or third. Well, I'm going to say second place. Almost the first place.
Roger that. Roger that. Okay, I need the GoPro.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I didn't get your message. Well, I guess that's what oh.
Whoa!
These little nuts.
Here, let's see. If we can make it work. Let's try it like this. Oh man. Let's try it like this. Too heavy.
Let's just put it right next to the booster then.
It won't even fit in the booster.
No! If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload one video a week, and it's on Saturday.